A mass screening campaign has been launched in the north of Johannesburg, which is the epicentre of COVID-19 infections in Gauteng. More than 200 of the 788 confirmed COVID-19 cases are from the area known as Region E. Khayalihle Khumalo is following the story for us. He joins us now live from the newsroom. So Khaya, just tell us how this process of testing is going.
Well, Shahan, the officials are really ecstatic about how the process has gone so far. So they are targeting this particular area because there has been a surge in terms of the numbers. So when they clean over the information, they are seeing that there is a certain pattern. So hence now the focus in this particular region. But also across all the regions in Johannesburg, there'll be quite a lot of focused and making sure that officials are really proactive in their approach as opposed to waiting for people who have symptoms to come to them. So this time around, it's a very intensive process of making sure that they go out and really deal with this particular pandemic. And Shahan, let's take a listen to one of the officials from the city of Johannesburg reaffirming that particular point.
The reason why we decided to be proactive is because we want to plan better. We want to plan smart. Because if we are going to be reactive, if we wait for people to come to us, we are not going to be able to win this fight that we are fighting. So that is why we have decided to say we need to go out. We have got a week-long program wherein we are going to be going into each and every sub-district.
So are they actually prioritizing a certain age group then?
That's right, Shahan, mainly for the senior citizens and those people with chronic conditions. That's where the priority is so far. But all and sundry, for quite a number of people who would come to their facilities. So, for example, we went today to the Santon Clinic. It's one of the areas that has been earmarked, but also different other locations as well. So they try to reach out to as many people as possible. And all of this comes as Shahan, as South Africa is gearing up through a very risk-adjusted approach where we'll be moving from level 5 to level 4. So officials are working very hard in making sure that they understand the dynamics of COVID-19 in the country.
So Khaya, just let's talk a bit more about this process and how people are responding to it, because they're going out to the so-called hotspot areas and conducting mass tests. Some people might be wary. How are they receiving this?
Well, Shahan, contrary to a popular belief, a lot of people were very happy that we spoke to. There was one lady in Santon who told me that when she went to a private facility, she had to cough up quite a massive amount of cash, and now the state is rising to the occasion, is coming to offer this particular assistance, and she was more thrilled in saying that now this particular service is offered to them. And Shahan, if you may take a listen to her.
The service is exceptional, and I'm very, very grateful to the government that they are offering this service, to check for the COVID-19, and I think it's amazing, and it's a free service.
All right, so we're going to leave it right there. Our reporter Khayalihle Khumalo.